Assalamu alaikum. Day 9. Welcome to Kul and our daily dua.
اللهم رحمتك أرجوه فلا تكلني إلى نفسي طرفة عين وأصلح لي شاني كله لا إله إلا أنت.
O Allah, I seek your mercy. So do not leave me to my own soul, even for the blink of an eye, and set right for me all my affairs. There is no deity worthy of worship except you. Ameen. Repeat this dua today, share it with your loved ones, and subscribe to Kul for daily supplications and reminders.